Hi there, I'm Renee Fuentes and welcome back to my channel, Thai Caliente, where I show you how to make your favorite Thai and Mexican recipes. Today I'm going to be sharing a recipe for Huevos Rancheros, which is perfect for a breakfast or a brunch type of recipe. It's only a few ingredients and it doesn't actually take long to make, but it is pretty filling, so it's great for the weekends for brunch time. It goes perfect with a cup of coffee, so go ahead and pour yourself a cup and let's get started on this recipe. So the ingredients are pretty simple. I'm just using store-bought corn tortillas, and then I have some avocado cooking spray that I'm going to use to lightly fry them. I have 2 eggs per serving. You can do 1 or 2 if you like. And then these are my homemade Peruvian refried beans. Of course, you could do canned refried beans as well, but I already had some available. And this is a store-bought fresh salsa or Pico de Gallo. You can kind of get in your deli section at your store. So I have my pan over medium-high heat, and I'm just going to spray a little bit of oil and then a little bit on top of the tortilla. And then I'm going to flip it a couple times till it kind of gets some puffy spots and some brown spots, but essentially that is the color. You don't want it fried, but you do want it to have a little bit of crispness to it. See, it's still kind of pliable. So both of those tortillas look perfect. And now I'm going to cook my eggs. So I personally like my eggs over medium, but you can do them sunny side up or over hard, or if you like them scrambled, then make them scrambled. I'm flipping these over, but in the pictures I have them sunny side up because it looks a little bit prettier, and those look good. So go ahead and remove your eggs and put them on a plate, and let's assemble our Huevos Rancheros. So on the fried tortillas, we're just going to spread a layer of refried beans. And then we're going to go ahead and top it with the eggs that we just cooked. Now typically Huevos Rancheros does kind of have what they call a ranchero sauce, but as I said, this is kind of my easy shortcut version. You know, by all means you can make your own salsa or pico de gallo, but the fresh salsa that you get at the store is pretty good, so we're going to take the shortcut version. So just pile on as much salsa as you want. You can do some Cotija cheese. I'm using some vegan Parmesan cheese. I know that sounds weird, but it goes really well. And I'm just gonna top it with some sliced avocado. And that's it, my friends. This super easy, tasty, filling breakfast or brunch is done. And then we're gonna go ahead and appreciate that egg yolk right there. And make sure you get everything in bites, so some of the tortilla, the eggs, the salsa, the avocado, and oh, it is so good, my friends. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to leave me any comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!